Ano ba ibig sabihin ng teamwork? Tools?
Sir Jarvin. Sir Jarvin, ha? Sino? Patay tayo dyan.
Leading natin green and pink. Pink team, kaya mo ba nga bulin si green? Mabilis si green. Walk! 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 Stop! You have tasks in every day of your work. Kinakailangan maging best at kayo. Okay? Focus kayo dun sa work nyo. Huwag kayo magpa-affect sa kahit ano. Stop!
Ang gusto ko sa inyo, magkaroon kayo ng yung powerful vision. Yan yung powerful vision. Hindi lang yung nakikita nyo yung ngayon, yung araw-araw na ginagawa, may event next week, may event next week. Ano ba yung gusto ninyo mangyari sa buhay nyo together with kids?
Wow! Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Sure, pa-picture din ako, ma'am.
Itong buong araw natin ay hindi lang basta team building. It was building our relationship and trust to everyone. And we hope lahat tayo nag-enjoy, naging connected sa isa't isa at na-inspire. Dalhin natin itong bagong learnings para mabago at mapadali natin ang anumang bagong challenges. Looking forward to seeing how we grow from here.
You need to continue and do the best that you can be to help this Kids Connect. Amen? Alright, congratulations everybody. You all deserve to win this Team Building 2024. Now you need to accept your challenge. Okay? Accept your challenge right now in every situation na mangyayari sa Kids Connect. Amen? Alright, thank you so much. I am Coach Jules from Coaching, Training, and Development Services. Would like to thank you, me and my team, for getting us your team building facilitator.